If I ask you who you are, most people don't hesitate. I'm this. I'm that. I belong here. Marcus Aurelius noticed this long before social media, long before politics as identity. If you are distressed by anything external, the pain is not due to the thing itself, but to your estimate of it. That word, estimate, matters. Because labels are estimates, we stop questioning. A label isn't truth, it's compression. It's how the mind shrinks complexity into something manageable. That's why Epictetus said, "It is not things themselves that disturb us, but our opinions about them." A label is an opinion that's hardened into identity. Once it hardens, ego treats it like fact. Ego isn't evil, it's functional. It exists to create continuity, a sense of me that survives change. But it can't survive uncertainty. That's why Lao Tzu warned, when you are content to be simply yourself, and don't compare or compete, everyone will respect you. Comparison is ego's oxygen. Labels make comparison efficient. Without them, ego starts to lose its grip. Once a label is adopted, ego defends it. Disagreement stops being informational. It becomes personal. At that point, you don't own the label. The label owns you. When a label cracks, ego panics. Because ego confuses identity with existence. Letting go of labels looks like madness to those still clinging to them. But it's not madness, it's freedom from rigidity. The social payoff of labels. Labels don't just give identity, they give belonging. They tell you which tribe applauds you. Why? Because ego doesn't want truth, it wants a position. Once the label is secured, questioning becomes a threat. Eventually, experience outgrows identity, and awareness replaces defense. Labels are conclusions disguised as certainty. Dropping them reopens the mind. Life without labels isn't empty, it's spacious. People think letting go of labels means becoming nothing. It doesn't. It means becoming present. As Rumi put it, "Why are you so busy with this, or good or bad?" Pay attention to how things blend. Without labels, life stops needing permission. You respond instead of react. Labels give power away. Awareness takes it back. So instead of asking, "Who am I?" try asking, "What am I defending?" You don't need to answer it. Just notice what tightens when a label is questioned. That's where ego lives. If you enjoyed this video, please like and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.